So here's going through some of the solutions to this factor exam. So here's question 1, y squared minus 5y minus 14. So you go through all the usual checks. First of all, you say to yourself, okay, do we have a highest common factor? No, we don't. Do we have 4 parts, which is factorization by grouping? No, we don't. Do we have 2 parts and maybe a difference of 2 squares? No, we don't. So this one, 3 parts and a squared part at the front. This is a quadratic trinomial. So what we need to do here, whether you remember this or not, the y squared, that's going to be a y at the start and a y at the start of the other bracket. Then what you've got to do is look at the end number and get the factor pairs of the end number, which is 1 by 14 and 2 by 7. And then you have a little rule to remember here. The factor pair must add or subtract to give the middle number and must multiply to give the end number. So it has to pass those 2 tests, if you like. So the middle number up here is minus 5. So that's what we mean by the middle number. So here's the middle term, minus 5y, but we're looking at the coefficient of that, which is the minus 5. Coefficient means the part at the start of it. So minus 5 there. So we're looking to make up minus 5 from 1 and 14 or 2 and 7. So the 1 and 14, and hopefully you can see there that there's no way you're going to be able to make up minus 5 out of that. One either side of 14 is 15 minus 15, 13 minus 13. So the 2 and the 7 is the only combination that will hopefully work if this is going to work out, and it does. So if we try here, plus 2 minus 7, we'll get minus 5. So that passes the first test, giving us the middle number. And if we also check now to multiply these two together, plus 2 multiplied by minus 7, so unlike signs give us minus, 2 by 7 is 14, that is the end number. So now we can put in the plus 2 with the first part of the bracket, so y plus 2 is a factor, and we'll also put in the minus 7, and y minus 7 is a factor, and that's question 1 done.